narrative rituals as making offerings to the gods.
How have I
and
missed all them
festivals.
shots?
It was part of their religion and a way to understand the world around them. The Egyptians knew how many gods. One of them was Ra. The god of the sun was the creator of the universe and the universe of life. Ra, also known as Rewan Ranye, represented warmth and growth. He was the most worshipped of all and known as the king of the gods. No smoking, no camera. How peaceful.
They just load.
You can't jump.
Yeah, don't do it on stairs. Or
Yeah.
How many times have I eaten you before? Gaining packets, lads.
Using them like 21%.
Two mid. One. What?
What? Short.
You can't do anything about a combo. Nice. Where was he? Usher's like close. Go, 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 go. Where the fuck is bomb planted?
Get out.
I'm not planting it at B.
Plant out here.
Charge it, you man.
What? Okay, as hard as you can. Yep. Did you get kicked? Yeah, good. That's why I use a headset in it. That's why I use a headset. You can. Ой, блядь!
They flashed it.
Yo, my slime.
О, хорош, бля, я хочу...
Where is
So
he,
annoying.
Banji? القول بالله لا إله إلا الله حسن.
Hi.
Hello, team. You saying you got Yubu?